Oi! No. POV drive. So do a burnout? Oh, okay. I'll just give it then. You see the torque just kicking after that? You know what it is? That's the first time it boosted like that in like 7 years, so that's why it was like spinning. I can't see out the windows how dirty it is. The wind wipe, is there any water in here? Nah, no water. You can see there's water in there. Oh wow, what a pleasure this car is to drive. Oh wow, yeah, alhamdulillah. It's like it's not even 6 AM yet. I feel like 6 AM success, but oh, the brakes are so gone. Yeah, excuse me if I'm acting a bit childish or if I'm laughing in a silly way, but I just remember buying this car from a lady that's like over in the 60s, and I was so young back then when I bought it. Which way am I going? This way, yeah, I think it is. I forget where I'm driving. Oh man, look at the way she handles. I need to pump up the tyres are quite low. It's a bit sluggish. The gears are a bit stiff. Oh, the back end comes out so easily. MashaAllah. This is too good of an engineered car, this is. The balance and the way it sits. You can't really hear the dumbbell, but the back end just comes out nicely in this car. Oi! Oh, it's amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna give it easy till we get to the B roads, but hi. This is okay. Oh, I need to get petrol. Oh, definitely need to get petrol. Very important. It's just got VP tire. It's just at the bottom. Oh, sick! It sounds so sick. She pulls though. You can hear that. Oh, it's sick. Wow. I'm not even like bashed and everything yet, but this is like a test run, isn't it? Just to make sure the car, you know, it's running well now. The horns work. Feels alright so far, so good. The car definitely needs a clean though, but it feels so comfortable to drive this. Okay, right. Here's what it is. I'm gonna get some petrol right now, ASAP. Gotta get that V-power in here. Let's do a bit of a cheeky one here. Oh wow. Okay, what a car to drive. Yeah, the tyres definitely need to be pumped up. Is it even open at 6 AM? Oh man. It's closed. Well, that's not good, is it? Hope I make it.